नमस्कार। आप सभी लोग अपने अपने घरों पर स्वस्थ रूप से सकुशल होंगे तथा आपके मित्रजन परिवारगण भी स्वस्थ होंगे। इसी कामना के साथ आपसे एक बात कहनी है कि हम बात कर रहे थे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग की। उस सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के साथ साथ आपको फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग भी रखनी है, जिससे कि हम इस वैश्विक बीमारी कोविड-19 से आसानी से बच सकें। साथ साथ आप सभी लोग क्योंकि साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो डेफिनेट है कि आप लोग एक्सरसाइज कर ही रहे होंगे, अपनी बॉडी का सैनिटेशन कर ही रहे होंगे, हाइजीन कर ही रहे होंगे, ऐसी कामना है। तो जैसा कि कल हमने बात की थी अपने टॉपिक पे, that is about the ecological pyramids, in which we have talked about the different kinds of the pyramids. Means we have talked about the pyramid of number, we have talked about the pyramid of energy, we have talked about the pyramid of biomass, in which I have explained you especially about why they are the erected and why they are sometimes inverted. Especially in all cases the pyramid is erected, right? But especially in the special condition, that is pyramid of biomass in aquatic ecosystem, it is necessary, in which that can be just become the inverted pyramids. Generally all pyramids are upwards, right? And if we talk about a pyramid in which a tree is given over there, in that condition also there is a specific condition or special conditions in which we can say the pyramid is inverted, right? But in that condition the pyramid is not directly inverted, it becomes a different shapes, right? So that is the condition only. So let's to talk about the new topic, that is the ecological successions. Means if it can talk about the how the development of the any living at any places will started, right? So we can say, especially if we can talk about the ecological successions, means you can directly say especially that ecological successions is a changes at any places due to which the life can be start over that place, right? Or you can say directly the different sequential and gradual and predictable changes in the species composition in an area over a period of the time. We can say the gradual changes at any place at a definite time in that area, right? If the number of species can be changes continuously, in that condition we can say that is known as ecological successions, right? And if we can talk about that what are different things which are just comes or attached to the this ecological successions, those are the special one. We can say there are some special terminologies and terms can be utilized with attached with this ecological succession. That's SERI. What is SERI? Generally we can say that entire sequence of communities and successively change in given area. Means we can say the sequence of communities that can successively changes in a given area. किसी एक एरिया में जो communities का changes होता रहता है, that is called the SERI. Evenly we can say seral communities, means the different individuals which can be translational communities are termed as the seral stages. Means the different organisms which can be changes over that special conditions, right? Means they will converted the different communities one to another one. In that condition we can say that is the seral communities, right? Later on we can see another one, that is you can easily understand, that is the climax community. Means the community that is the near equilibrium with the environmental conditions. Means how much the environment needs that community, it will becomes that completely to its equilibrium. उसके बराबर अगर हो जा रही है जितनी एनवायरनमेंट के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है, तो उसको हम कहते हैं क्या, दैट इज नोन एज climax community. Later on we can see the pioneer communities. Pioneer communities, we can say species that invade bare land, means the these especially we can say the different organisms, different species or different species which can be found on an invade bare land, or it can always help for the starting of the ecological successions, means it is the part of the ecological section, means at which, due to which at any particular place the new organisms can be started to develop over there, means new species can be started to overdevelop there. That is called the pioneer species of that area, right, we can say. And after that these pioneer species can be reached to the climax community, means there is, it can be always becomes a community to near to the equilibrium of the environment, right. And we can say this climax community can always reach at its condition with the help of some specific stages, right. We can say there are some changes can be occurs over there, so we can talk about that one, that especially the changes in the diversity of the species of organism, as well as increase in the number of species and organism, and increase in the total biomass, means with the help of all these things these can be able to change over there. Evenly we can say especially these are the changes, right. So with the help of this, and it can also help for the increase in the total biomass in that particular places, means these all things can be always help for the successive several stages that they can reach up to the climate community, means these are different changes which can always help them to reach at the their climax community. And if we can talk about the types of the successions, there are especially two types of successions. Number one is primary succession and number two is secondary successions. As we can say, especially the primary successions, right, and the secondary successions. So with the help of them we can easily understand that primary successions, it can always begins, right, in an area where no living organisms ever existed, mean it is a bare land where no organism can be exist before these conditions, right, means before this condition they never be develop any living organism in that particular places, so we can say that is known as primary succession. If the new organism can be developed over there, means the establishment of the new community, right, is very slow. That condition is known as primary successions. As you can see that it can be always start from the primitive substratum on a previously sterile or primarily bare land, right. So we can say generally in these conditions the primary successions can always begins in those areas where no living organisms ever existed. So we can say the establishment of the biotic community is very slow. For example, we can say newly cooled lava bare rock, राइट. मान लीजिए कोई जो वोल्केनो है बस्ट हुआ, उसके बाद जो उसका लावा है वो ड्राई अप हो गया, कूल हो गया, तो इट इज़ द प्लेस वेयर द प्राइमरी सेक्शन कैन बी स्टार्टेड. बेयर रॉक, पहाड़ों पे कहीं पे भी जाकर कोई बहुत पुरानी कोई रॉक पड़ी हुई है, उसके ऊपर अगर न्यू लाइफ कैन बी, न्यू कम्युनिटीज कैन बी स्टार्टेड डेवलप, दैट इज कॉल्ड द प्राइमरी सक्सेसर्स, राइट. और वी कैन से न्यूली क्रिएटेड पॉन्ड और रिजर्वायर्स, अगर कोई नया नया पॉन्ड बनाया जाए तो उस कंडीशन में भी वहाँ पर न्यू कम्युनिटीज़ का डेवलपमेंट होगा. इन दैट कंडीशंस वी कैन से दैट इज द प्राइमरी सक्सेशंस. इफ वी कैन टॉक अबाउट द सेकेंडरी सक्सेशंस, दिस सेकेंडरी सक्सेशंस कैन ऑलवेज also start in those areas where the natural biotic community have been destroyed, means at secondary succession can always start in those places where the some organisms are already existed but they are destroyed due to any circumstances. किसी जगह पर जो ऑर्गेनिज्म पहले रह रहे थे लेकिन क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन के चेंजेस की वजह से, किसी भी वजह से अगर वो ऑर्गेनिज्म वहाँ से ख़त्म हो गए हैं, कम्युनिटी ख़त्म हो गई है, तो वहाँ पर दोबारा से जब ऑर्गेनिज्म की कम्युनिटी डेवलप करती है उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग सेकेंडरी सक्सेशंस। आप एक रिसेंट एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इस बार बहुत भयानक आग लगी, फॉरेस्ट फायर हुई, राइट। अब वहाँ पर लगभग हर चीज़ डिस्ट्रॉय हो गई, लेकिन यहाँ पर लाइफ तो थी। अब दोबारा से जब वहाँ पर स्टार्ट होगी तो उसे हम बोलेंगे क्या, सेकेंडरी सक्सेशंस। So in that conditions we can say the development of the or the beginning of the natural biotic communities at those areas which are already destroyed, right. For example, we can say the abandoned farmlands, buried a cut forest, suppose किसी जंगल में आग लग जाए तो काट दिया जाए, right. And so these are the different things, but these are the faster process. आखिर why there is a question that why the primary succession is slow one and secondary is the faster one? Because in case of the secondary successions, it have already available of the soil, it has already available of those substances which are required over in that conditions. But in case of the primary successions, there is a all things are new and that the soil will form all things which are necessary for it, they will form over that particular condition. That's why in that condition they needed the such conditions, so they're not capable to develop properly in that places, right. So this is the main condition where such condition can be seen over there. After that we have to talk about the that in secondary successions the rate of the development is the of community is higher or faster, because as I told you there is soil is available already there, so it can be always help it. So in this successions the climax community can also reached very fast in compared to the primary community or primary or pioneer species. So then if we can talk about the succession of the plants, if we can talk only about the succession of the plants, generally it can be classified into two categories on the basis of their habitat, on the basis of the some conditions, right. So there is a hydroceri or the hydrarch succession and the extrarch succession or xerarch successions, right. If we can talk about the hydrarch successions, especially we can say the plant successions which can be take place in wet area or water leading to successions series progress in that areas, right. We can say especially this hydrarch succession can be take place or develop the biotic organisms, right, where they can be form the newly pond and the lake one, right. We can see the different stages that occur in the hydrarch, the hydroceri, that is phytoplankton's stages, rooted submerged and rooted floating stage, free floating stage and reed swamp and stages the stage in marsh meadow and the woodland and stage climax forest one, right. Means there are different stages, because the development of those biotic series or successions or organisms or plants, it is always in a sequential development. Suppose you can say there is a newly pond is created, developed. In that conditions, if the newly pond can be developed with the help of the developing that pond or lake, in that condition the first of all, the first community is first species of the organisms, that is always phytoplankटोन्स, राइट. मीन्स उस जगह पर सबसे पहले जो डेवलपमेंट होगा वो किसका होगा, उसे हम कहते हैं फाइटोप्लांट कीटोन्स, क्योंकि उनका डेवलपमेंट सबसे पहले उस जगह पर हो जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट वी कैन से दोज फाइटोप्लांट कीटोन्स कैन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द फ्री फ्लोटिंग एंजियोस्पर्म प्लांट्स, राइट. उसके बाद हो सकता है कि जो फ्री फ्लोटिंग प्लांट्स होंगे उनका डेवलपमेंट भी हो सकता है, राइट. लेटर ऑन वी कैन से इट कैन बी अगेन फॉलोज देन द रूटेड एंजियोस्पर्मिक invaded stage grass and finally are the trees, right. Means we can say these are the different conditions through which they can be developed. Means इफ यू कैन से डायरेक्टली उस पॉन्ड में, उस लेक में जो न्यूली क्रिएटेड है, उसमें सबसे पहले फाइटो वाटर आएगा। वाटर के बाद क्या होगा, उसमें आपके फाइटोप्लांट कीटोन्स आएंगे। फिर रूटेड समर्स प्लांट स्टेजेस का डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है, राइट। उसके बाद रूटेड फ्लोटिंग स्टेजेस प्लांट्स का डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है, एज यू कैन सी इन योर डायग्राम्स, राइट। और इसके बाद क्या है, फ्री फ्लोटिंग स्टेजेस, जैसे आपका वाटर हाइसिंथ हो सकता है, डेवलप कर जाए। फिर रीड स्वैम्प स्टेजेस आएगी, फिर मार्श शैडो स्टेजेस बन जाएगी, फिर वुडलैंड स्टेजेस बनेगा, फिर लास्ट में क्लाइमेक्स कम्युनिटी यानी कि ट्रीज या फिर लार्ज ट्रीज का डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा। तो ये इज कॉल्ड द प्राइमरी सक्सेशन इन द वाटर, राइट। मीन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द प्लांट्स इन एनी न्यूली क्रिएटेड pond or the lake, right, in that particular conditions they will converted from the phytoplant ketones to the climax community of the trees, right. In that sequential changes is known as the primary successions in the water, or that is known as hydrarch conditions. In the same way, if we can talk about the this hydrarch or the primary successions on the rock, sometimes a question can be asked about in rock also. Generally we can say it can be always asked about the conditions of the only water, even because we have just develop or changes into only two categories, but here we have to talk about the primary succession in rock also, right. In that conditions, how that can be changes means we can say directly in that particular condition, that is a just like a Gerard's ecological successions, right. Means we can say, if talk about the Gerard successions, especially the plants can be succession which can take place in dry area leading to a succession series फ्रॉम जेरिक टू मैजिक कंडीशंस। मीन्स ऐसी कंडीशन जहाँ पे जेरिक कंडीशन हो, जहाँ पे ड्राई क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन हो, लेकिन वहाँ पर अगर प्लांट प्रॉपर डेवलप करते हैं और डेवलप कर करके अपने आसानी से फिर अपने क्लाइमेक्स कम्युनिटी तक पहुँच जाते हैं और उसको मैजिक कंडीशन में चेंज कर देते हैं, तो उसको हम कह सकते हैं क्या, जेरार्ड सक्सेशन। आप ऐसे समझ लीजिए डायरेक्टली कि किसी डेजर्ट एरियाज पे प्लांटेशन करके अगर हम उसको दोबारा से एक बहुत अच्छे गार्डन के रूप में, बहुत अच्छे प्लेस के रूप में डेवलप कर सकते हैं, तो जो कंडीशन वहाँ होगी वही सेम कंडीशन अगर नेचुरली अपने आप हो रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द जेरार्ड कंडीशंस, राइट। वी कैन से जनरली इट कैन बी ऑलवेज हैज, इट कैन बी टेक प्लेस स्पेशली इन सम स्पेशल प्लेसेस वेयर द अमाउंट ऑफ मॉइस्चर एंड अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इज वेरी लेस, राइट। सो if we can talk about the different stages, primary successions on the rocks or the different stages of the Gerard successions, those are especially we can say in that conditions, first of all, right, there's some things can be developed, that is the we can say lichens, means lichen are the first organism which can be started to develop. Then evenly the if they are different varieties, crustose lichens or the foliage lichens stages, right. Then they can be followed by the mosses, then stages herbs, shrubs, and then it will become the stages of the forest in other conditions, right. If you can take them in a sequentially, how this can be happen in those places with the help of such conditions, for that these plants can capable to do the specific process, they can capable to grow properly by the help of some specific conditions. So we can say directly in the primary successions on the rock, right, we can say especially the first of all lichens can be developed over there, means the lichens are the pioneer species on that bare land, right, and that bare areas. After that these lichens can capable to secrete some specific type of acids, right. So those acids can capable to dissolve the rock and help in the weathering and soil formation, means the lichen which grows on the surface of rock that can capable to do the weathering process. Weathering process means formation of soil, as you already known that the chemical weathering and the natural weathering you have known. So this is known as chemical weathering, means whenever these lichens can secrete the specific type of chemicals on the rock and the rock can dissolve, and when rock can dissolve they can be helpful for the formation of soil. Whenever the soil can be formed in that rocks, what will happen, they can be there some small bryophytes invade and hold the small amount of this soil, means first of all the bryophytes will started to develop over there, राइट, मीन्स वहाँ छोटे छोटे बहुत माइन्यूट से प्लांट्स ब्राइफाइट्स जो इनकम्प्लीट डेवलपमेंट रहते हैं उनका डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा उस सॉइल पे. लेटर ऑन दीज ब्राइफाइट्स आर सक्सीडेड, धीरे धीरे उसी एरियाज पे यही ब्राइफाइट्स का डेवलपमेंट होने के बाद इनके जो हायर ब्रांचेस प्लांट्स होते हैं ब्राइफाइट्स के, उनकी सर्ब्स बन जाएंगी, उनके they will converted into the shrubs also, means the growth of the shrubs also grown over there. After that there is some, we can say those shrubs can be ultimately changed into the big trees, means we will get a climax forest in that particular areas, which can be always helpful. Therefore the xerophatic habitat gets converted into the mesophatic one, means we can directly say another ways, directly the pioneer stages, intermediate stages and the climax community, right? And if we can say directly, so we can say bare rock, lichen and mosses will develop over there, then after that they will helpful for the formation of the soil. After the formation of the soil, the small annual plants can be started to develop over there. After that the perennial herbs and grasses will develop over there. After that the grasses and the shady intolerant trees can be overdeveloped there. Later on the shady tolerant trees will started to develop there, means this bare land, bare rock can be converted into the shady or into the climax community, means with the help of this we can say that they can always very helpful for the development of such conditions. So with the help of this condition generally the new development of the plants can be occurs over there. So students, you must read them, it is most important questions, so many times it can be asked in the 5 marks questions, right? So it is homework for you that you all must draw a flow chart about the ecological successions and what are the meanings of the SERI ecological successions, pioneer species, right? And primary successions, secondary successions, hydride successions, xeric successions evenly, and how the primary succession will take place in the hydride successions and how the primary succession will take place in the xeric successions. And you also try to solve your NCERT exercises. They are very good questions are given over there. They are very important in point of view of your examinations. So you must complete this target for your preparations and just try to read daily, and if you still have any problem you can ask me, right, by your phone also, phone call me, right, and my number is 9410724217, right, as well as you can also give the comments on the comment box, and please read throughout from your NCERT book. First of all, please read throughout the NCERT book, because so many times I have seen that many questions can be asked from directly from those books, but there are some application based questions which can be asked directly, some hot questions they can ask in different ways, but you must read properly and use to write all these things properly in your notebook, because when you came back to the school your copy will be checked by us. So you must prepare your notes and keep physical distance, social distance. Please help those needy persons who are your surroundings as you can, but for that you have to also maintain all the rules or follow all the rules and regulations which are given by the local authorities. Thank you.